Welcome to the new era of robotics, where machines are no longer limited to factory lines. They are stepping into our homes, emergency zones, and even Olympic stadiums. Stay with us as we break down the most jaw-dropping breakthroughs from the past few days that prove the robotic revolution is here. The game changer, Unitree's G1, and the power of A&O. Unitree's G1 Humanoid has just taken a massive leap forward with an upgrade called AMO, Adaptive Motion Optimization. And no, it's not just a flashy feature. It's what turns this robot from an impressive machine into something that feels almost alive. A&O lets G1 do everything from cleaning your house and picking up toys to opening the fridge and loading the dishwasher, all with the grace of someone who's lived there for years. The secret: real-time, full-body control. Most robots just move joints. G1, thanks to A&O, plans every motion using its entire body: arms, legs, waist, torso, responding and adjusting to the environment just like a human would. How AMO rewrites the rules of motion. So what makes AMO so revolutionary? It uses a hybrid of reinforcement learning and trajectory optimization. Basically, it runs millions of simulations, allowing the robot to fail virtually, over and over, without ever breaking a real part. Once it masters motion in simulation, it transfers those skills to the real world. So when G1 crouches, stretches sideways, or picks something off the floor, it's not just guessing. It's using learned, precise motion logic, from VR control to full autonomy. Want to control G1 directly? Put on a VR headset, and it'll mirror your movements like a shadow. But here's where it gets wild. When you stop, it doesn't freeze. It keeps going, understanding your intent, and continuing the task on its own. This is because AMO uses a hybrid motion synthesis pipeline, combining motion capture data with new AI-generated full-body actions that weren't in the training set. It learns, adapts, and evolves. Even when faced with unexpected commands, like crouching lower or reaching further than it was trained for, G1 still figures it out. That's not reaction. That's intelligent decision-making. Real tests, real results. In practical testing, the Unitree G1 accomplished tasks that once seemed impossible. It was able to twist its torso 90 degrees to throw trash with precision, showing impressive coordination and control. It also demonstrated the ability to pick up bags using a combination of hand-eye coordination and balance, handling the object without losing grip or posture. In another test, it lifted baskets from the floor and placed them at eye level, smoothly transitioning between crouching, reaching, and standing. All of this was possible due to the robot's 29 synchronized joints, allowing for fluid full-body movement instead of stiff mechanical actions. Behind this performance is a two-stage learning system developed by Unitree. The first stage is a teacher policy, which operates under perfect conditions to train ideal movements. The second is a student policy, which learns to adapt those actions to the real world, handling unpredictable, imperfect environments with human-like precision. Meet the firefighter, V2 robot dog with serious power. But Unitree didn't stop with humanoids. Their B2 robot dog just got a firefighting upgrade, and it's built for chaos. Equipped with a water and foam cannon that can blast up to 60 meters, it's designed to go where humans can't: collapsing buildings, toxic zones, and zero visibility environments. With joints 170% stronger, it can climb 15-inch obstacles and tackle 45-degree stairs while staying cool with a built-in sprinkler system and swappable waterproof batteries. Add LiDAR, live video feeds, and real-time communications, and you've got a robotic first responder that could save lives when seconds matter most. Lenovo enters the humanoid race. Meet Lean No. 1. Now enter the corporate giant, Lenovo. They've officially joined the humanoid robot race with Lean No. 1, revealed at Tech World 2025. This humanoid isn't just for show. It performed a live Tai Chi routine on stage. showcasing balance and fine motor control, and even answered real-time business questions using Lenovo's enterprise data. Backed by a hybrid AI architecture across device, edge, cloud, and network, this robot isn't just smart. It's built for real work in environments like elder care and healthcare. Olympics for robots. It's happening in Beijing. This August, Beijing is hosting the first ever World Humanoid Robot Sports Games. And yes, it's happening in real Olympic venues like the Bird's Nest and the Ice Ribbon. From track and field to soccer and gymnastics, humanoid robots will compete head-to-head, pushing both hardware and software under extreme pressure. It's not just a show, it's a proving ground. The goal: advance mechanical design and motion algorithms through real-world challenges. Earlier this year, 20 robots ran a half marathon, and one named Kyung Ultra finished after 2 hours and 40 minutes, showing off unprecedented endurance and stability. PND Robotics Atom, a new standard in walking like a human. Now let's head into the lab, where a new robot named Atom, built by PND Robotics, is turning heads. Atom doesn't just walk, it walks like a human. It adapts its stride, pace, and balance on the fly, even across uneven terrain, using a combination of deep reinforcement learning and imitation learning. Built with 25 KDD actuators, delivering 360 Newton-meters of torque, this 60 kilograms robot uses human-like posture and flexibility without even needing cameras. It's trained to move based on internal balance alone. That's called blind locomotion, and Atom nails it. Even without vision, it adapts dynamically, proving that high-level mobility doesn't always need sight. The bigger picture: a global robotics explosion. This August isn't just about sports. The World Robot Conference in Beijing is bringing together 200+ companies and launching over 100 new products. Co-hosted by groups like the World Federation of Engineering Organizations and EU Robotics, this year's focus is clear: humanoid robots as real-world solutions. From rescue missions to elder care, from manufacturing to mobility, robots are moving out of the lab and into our lives. So here's the question: if you had a robot like G1 or Atom at home, what's the first task you'd assign it? Would it clean your house or tackle your dishes? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve as robots become part of daily life, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And hey, keep an eye out. We'll cover Phantom's next upgrade as soon as that rumored $100 million funding lands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.